Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a nice tailgate step right there as well. Mud flaps on the rear. A nice gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera with blind spot detection. We do have a nice hood deflector on the front as well, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got an extra seat for the 6th person, 2 USB-Cs, 12-volt, and 2 cup holders. And of course, if you need more space, you can lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with this being the only manual part. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. We have our parking brakes and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 22.3 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Taking a look at our screen here, we do have our main menu, which has My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking to my right, you have cup holders, nice little phone slot, got storage right here, and lifting this up, this is your 6th additional seat, as well as you do get storage underneath as well. Got a fair bit of storage there with a USB, USB-C, and a nice little hook. Rear locking differential with 4-wheel drive, drive modes, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist. You do have 2 USB-Cs, a 12-volt. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as below, storage above. As we do get our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction. And looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you like. Your apps in general, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE38251, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.